Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're watching this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and perfect omelette. Easy to make, something that I love all the time. So here I have a bowl. So I'm going to make like a 3-egg omelette. So what you need to do is take your fork and whisk it in just to break the yolk up and to combine the yolk and the egg white together. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some salt, but this is personal preference. I'm going to add some Celtic salt in it. Some black pepper. Just mix it in. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of spring onion. And this is personal preference. You don't have to. I'm going to add a bit of red onion. Thing with omelette, you can put whatever filling you want in it or condiments. So I'm going to cut this a bit small, which they call fine dice. So I have my pan on. I'm going to put a bit of oil in. And also I'm going to add a bit of butter just for flavor. As you can see now, the pan is warm enough, so I'm going to add my mixture in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take and pull this to the side. Gentle pull this to the side. No rush. Slide it over. At this time, I'm going to turn the gas a bit down. So just gently move these over to the corner. Just move it around. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my cheese in. Just spread it all over. Then I'm going to go in with my onion and spring onion. As you see, I don't need to flip the omelette because here it's already cooked. So what I'm going to do, Just do like this. Look at that. And there you have your perfect omelette. Turn the gas off. So here I have my plate. Ready, good to go. All you need to do, just simply do like this. Take your omelette out on the plate. So with this, you can have it with anything you want. Bit of toast, pasta salad. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment.
With this lovely omelette, you can serve it with whatever you want. This is just some bow tie pasta salad with a bit of cheese, ham, and mixed vegetables.